everybody. So the big day is here. I got my Farmasi box. So I figured I would show everybody what is in this box, in case somebody out there wants to do this. I got my catalogs. I'm so excited. This somebody ordered. It is Perfume. It's Farmasi Madame Perfume. And it is 1.7 fluid ounces. I smelled it. It is so nice. Love it. And as soon as I can, I'm going to get myself some of this. This also was ordered. This is the Vfx Pro Foundation. I've used this. It's really nice. This doesn't come in the kit. Somebody ordered it. And I've already learned about the primer. Gotta put on the primer, especially for any woman that's over 40, maybe even 30, because I remember putting on makeup, and by lunchtime all of my eyeshadow would be off, and I would have to either touch it up or just not bother with it. So the primer actually helps you for all of your makeup to stay on your face. As you get older, your eyelids especially, your eyelids produce more and more oil, so you put a primer on, you're good to go. It stays on all day long. And that's the thing that brought me to Farmasi, what really sold me on it. So somebody ordered Farmasi Express eyeliner. So this also doesn't come in the kit. I figured I would get the ordered stuff. Paprika and chili balsam. This is a massage gel, and I haven't tried it, but somebody that I know tried it and said that it really helped. So helps with pain, and I've used different herbs that are just like paprika, so I know that it definitely works. And you can actually smell the camphor in it. Camphor is pretty much Vicks, but it's also an herb that you can grow. And here is the box, my Farmasi box. This should have all of my, there should be samples in here. There should be, well, I'll find out. I like the box. It's magnetic. It's very sturdy. The opportunity guide, I already got this from my sponsor, and I've been reading it. And then a welcome thing for the starter, saying who they are. Welcome to the Farmasi family. It's a family-owned business. The grandsons of the man that started the whole thing is actually running the company right now. Age reversist. This stuff I wanted. I want to try it. It's anti-wrinkle effect. This one has the collagen in it. The collagen plumps up your face, so it ends up smoothing out the wrinkles, and you can use this. You can use this before you put your makeup on, or even late at night. There's so many samples. Oh, and I got more. I got a whole 4-pack. Oh, I like how the samples actually give you ideas of what each product is, because I'm still learning. This is the BB foundation. I haven't used the BB foundation. I've used the CC foundation, and it's really good. I already started passing out samples. You get cute little bags. All right, I am excited. All right, well, that's pretty much it for the video. And there will definitely be more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.